Good morning, guys. Welcome to episode 3 of how we build a 5-story building here in Aventura, Florida. As we saw in our last episode, we were excavating around the piles, then they were chipping the concrete out of the piles, and now we are forming pile caps and grade beams. You can see these are the forms. The pile cap, the piles, this is the pile cap, these are the grade beams. Over there you can see how they are building the forms, and they move it to the side and install it, creating the space where the rebars are going to be installed, interlocking with all the piles, and then the concrete is going to be poured. Next step, once we have like this, is to bring the rebars that are being fabricated in this moment, and once the rebar are attached and interlocked with the rebar that get out of the piles, then the concrete is going to be poured on top, forming the pile caps and the grade beam. Please subscribe to the channel, get the notification bell so we can have more updates and you can see the whole process how we build a 5-story building in Aventura, Florida. Thanks for watching.